All right, howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy and this is our Rover auction review series. We do a lot of these videos. Hasn't really been a whole lot rolling across the block that has really piqued my interest, but this one definitely did, for the good and the bad. The actual Roverness of this particular 2004 Discovery SD2. The best, arguably the best disco ever made, right? This is the last year of the Discovery 2. So that means you have traction control and you have a center diff lock. This particular one does not have sunroofs. It's a low mileage. It's a California truck, so relatively low mileage, or low rust, excuse me. And, you know, the 4.6, everything seems to be checking out. But there's going to be obviously some reasons why it doesn't check out. And we'll get to those in a second. So, first red flag, it's just in a parking lot. It's not a, you know, I've really only been successful by purchasing these vehicles not from an independent dealer. Oh, sorry, the current bid, 0 bids, is almost $7,000, and it says engine problem, which of course is an engine problem. Is the fact that it's not a dealer trade-in. This is a dealer trade-in that was already purchased or was purchased from an independent party. It is now being sold by an independent dealer, guy with a dealer's license, kind of like me. Can't trust those guys. So he bought a dud. He bought a dud, or sees the value in it, or thinks owners will see the value in this insanely wild project. Con Motors. Sorry, buddy, but I don't think this one's gonna pass the litmus tests for bullshit. But it is a decent truck. It's a good body, and I think the conclusion might end up being it's a good $1,000 truck for potentially an engine swap, but that's a little bit of foreboding. So let's check it out. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt and see what's going on here. Very clean, clear headlights, good paint. It's the S model, so there's no sunroofs, there's no fancy wheels. You get the 16-inch wheels. I mean, this is this is on paper a very capable, good truck. I mean, this is what all off-road guys and Land Rover people want, right? I mean, it's the base model, big engine, center diff lock. All the goodies, I think, that make it an attractive package. The interior is clean. It's a little dirty. Frame is free of any type of major corrosion, especially on the back half. Well, I think there's an underbody shot showing that in a little bit. You've got 2 keys. Everything's good. No check engine light. No 3 amigos. The coolant temperature's right. It is just looking wonderful. And, you know, for a fully functional truck for $7,000, yeah, you know what? I mean, kind of worth rolling the dice on, especially if it's sorted. Maybe even call the guy. But in this world of bring a trailer sales, where you just kind of want to see if it sticks. Shit, if it sticks against the wall, you know. No sunroofs. I mean, it's looking good. I mean, let me know in the comments. Look at that. No sunroofs, no leaks, California truck, no rust. Good spec. So let's keep going. See what else we got. The rear seat looks like it's never been sat in. It's not an SE7, so no extra weight. Great frame. Just eat off it. Showroom factory fresh. Those bolts are still silver. Yeah, you know, it's all there. It's mostly all there. Just a little dirty. Just needs a little spick and span. Yeah, like here you go. Nice and clean, cup holders, all that. Front end looks good. Not even any leaks. It's been recently moved to the middle of the parking lot. It's not even leaking anything. Couple cracks in the bumper. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, disco stuff. Now, oh, look. Head gasket's good. Well, that's fine. Here you go. Here's the engine. Knock, knock. Who's there? Slip liner. Slip liner who? Pull it out. That's what's going on there. You can hear it loud and clear. It could run like that for a very long time, but for sure for $1,500. There's no real getting around that. So, yep, that's crack pipe. See you in the next one.